Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and this RUWORA Dehumidifier may be the important home appliance you've been overlooking. Whether you have a part of your home that has excess moisture, or whether you want to be prepared for an unexpected leak, a capable dehumidifier makes sense for any home. This model from RUWORA has all the options I can think of, including an automatic setting, continuously on, and even being able to set a target humidity percentage. I really like that when you first turn it on, it shows the current humidity levels so you can get a clear idea if there's an issue or not. I tried this in my bathroom after taking a shower with the exhaust fan off, and I quickly saw the difference from when the fan is on during a shower. It was very quiet, and I barely heard it kick on at night when the house was completely silent. This could be a great solution for renters or for someone who's not able to resolve a humidity issue right away. Since it's on wheels, it's easy to move to different rooms to check humidity levels. In my garage where I knew it was humid, the level went from over 70% to around 50% in a couple hours. While it's easy to empty and clean out the container, it also has the option to run a hose to a drain where it can run continuously. If you don't already have a decent dehumidifier, or if you're looking to upgrade yours, I think this model from RUWORA works great and has all of the features you need in a home. And that's my point of view.